All right, guys. So you guys need to understand Kaspa will be going much higher, as I've been telling guys many times now. I know, right? Kaspa has been all over the place, right? You know, the price of Kaspa has been going up, down a whole bunch. Like, for example, we've been seeing Kaspa, okay, at 10 cents or just above 10 cents, and sometimes it will go back down below 10 cents, like where it is right now. I get it, right? The Casper price has been, fluctuating. Okay, it's been all over the place. Like I said, we've been seeing a lot of ups and downs for Casper. But what you guys need to realize is that soon enough, okay, we're gonna see Casper going back up to its previous highs of 20 cents, and it's not gonna stop there. It's gonna continue to go higher and reach a new all-time high, right? New record highs are coming for Casper, guys. Okay, understand that. So Casper will continue to go much higher, no matter what happens. Okay, understand that, right? Big things are coming for Casper, guys, as I've been talking about, right? For example, smart contracts are coming for Casper very soon, guys. Okay, in less than 15 days now, right? Pretty much 2 weeks time, we're gonna see smart contracts launching for Casper. Okay, this is huge, because it's been talked about for a while now in the Casper community, and it's finally happening, guys. Okay, it's literally right around the corner, so I hope you guys are prepared for that. And of course, it's not just that, but Casper, okay, will be listed on major crypto exchanges, guys, and that just shows you guys, right, that Casper not listed yet on an exchange, a crypto exchange, like for example Binance, Coinbase, and even something like crypto.com, just shows you guys how early we are for Casper, truly, right? And as I said many times, Casper, okay, there is no hype around it. Okay, not many people in the crypto space are mentioning, are focusing, or even talking about Casper. Okay, not a lot of people are in Casper right now. There's literally a handful of us that are in Casper. Okay, so the Casper community is pretty small, but this is a good thing because it just shows us how early we are for Casper. So guys, in today's video, yes, I want to give you guys an update on Casper, and there is in fact a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys indicating that yes, Casper will be going much higher. So no matter what happens right now with Casper, the price is going to continue to go to new record highs no matter what happens. Okay, understand that, guys. So let's do it, guys, right? So the Casper price right now, guys, we're currently at the 1 hour time frame. We did see Casper, reaching 10 cents a couple of days ago, and as we know, it dropped, right, and it actually went below 9 cents at one point. And right now, Casper, okay, is now back above 9 cents today, okay, and it's actually pumping as I'm filming this video right now. Okay, we are seeing a slight little pump. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame. So right now, guys, Casper is in fact going up. Okay, 0.093 right now for Casper, so it is looking pretty good right now for Casper. It is up over 3% right now, so yeah, it is looking pretty good right now for Casper, going back up, looking like it wants to reach back up to 10 cents. We will see if that will happen, okay, in the next few hours. Past week, it is slightly down 0.67%, and for the month, it's slightly down almost 4%, right? And of course, for the year, it is still down over 40%. So, man, this is a great opportunity right now to still accumulate Casper, as I talked about, in yesterday's video. If you guys haven't seen it, yesterday's video, you should definitely check it out, where I'll tell you guys, to accumulate 1 Bitcoin and, accumulate 200,000 Casper. If you guys have not yet seen that video, you should definitely check it out, right? But yeah, like I said many times, guys, this is a great time to accumulate as much Casper as you possibly can, in my opinion, especially while the price is still below 10 cents. Like, you guys need to understand, this is truly a gift right now. A great opportunity, the biggest opportunity right now to accumulate as much Casper as you possibly can at these price levels, right? The price is still below 20 cents, it's still below 10 cents. This is a great time to buy. Personally, guys, I've been stacking, as you guys saw, right? Like a few days ago, I accumulated a lot of Casper. Okay, I bought a lot because I don't want to miss this opportunity for Casper, guys. Okay, I know where it's heading. I've done my own research, and I'm very bullish on Casper, guys. You guys know that, right? I'm pretty much all in on Casper. Okay, so that is that. Now, so far, right, August, we are still in the greens. Okay, we are up almost 5%. So, not looking too bad for Casper. In Q3, okay, so far, of course, we're still up over 20%. So, in general, we are still looking pretty good, okay, for this month in August. We are over 2 weeks into this month, and yeah, it's still looking pretty good. Still looking pretty strong for Q3. But yeah, we'll see where Kaspa will take us for this month in August, and then we'll see where it will take us next month in September, right? For Q3 to end of Q3, and then after that we're going to be entering Q4, which is going to be starting for October, November, and then December, right? And you have to clearly see November is a pretty bullish month for Kaspa, right? For over 3 years, yeah, 3 years, we've been seeing a lot of greens for the month of November, right? Especially in 2022, it was up over 300%, guys, and that's when Kaspa pretty much just launched, right? So that was in 2021, not 2022. But yeah, you have to clearly see in 2022, it was up over 300%. Yeah, that's crazy, right? So we'll see if we'll see Kaspa pumping at least over 100% for this month in November. We'll have to see, but big things are coming for Kaspa. Like I said, I do believe Q3, especially Q4, will be amazing for Kaspa. Now, the volume today for Kaspa, $35 million. The markup for Kaspa still below 2.5 billion, still below it. Okay. I believe a couple of days ago we did see it just above 2.5 billion, but of course, since the price has been going up and down, of course the markup's going to be going up and down as well. The next reduction is in 18 days, and the next reward for Kaspa is 4.37 Kaspa, as we all know. Now, yes, guys, smart contracts are coming for Kaspa. Okay, 14 days and 15 hours left. So get ready, guys. Get excited, get pumped, okay, because this is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. And it's about to happen, guys. It's literally just right around the corner. So I hope you guys are prepared for this. Now, let's jump into these charts for Kaspa, because I'm telling you guys right now, the Kaspa price is, like I said, going to be going much, much higher. And it seems like I'm not the only one that is predicting this. A lot of people in the Kaspa community are predicting this as well. And I don't blame them. I 100% do agree that, yes, soon enough, we're going to see the Kaspa price going much, much higher. So starting off with this one, so it says here, Kaspa never say never. A break above 12 cents would validate this pattern. Okay, so maybe, okay, we do see Kaspa going lower, okay, and then it's just going to bounce back up. And this is showing like the Fibonacci retracement levels, I believe. It seems like it. Maybe, yes, we do see the Kaspa price going, a bit more lower, right? But we'll have to see about that. Okay, we'll have to see. I mean, honestly, guys, to be honest with you guys, right, I don't mind if the Kaspa price does go lower, right? I'm talking if it goes to, 7 cents, 6 cents, even 5 cents. I highly doubt it, honestly. But if it does, man, I'm going to take that as a big opportunity to stack as much Kaspa as I possibly can, right? So we'll see, guys. But you guys need to understand, after that, we're going to see a beautiful recovery. And then it's going to go to like 12 cents. And of course, it's going to continue to go much, much higher, right? So look at this chart right here, okay? So this person says here, okay, major alert, why Kaspa is about to explode. So I'm going to read this out. After trading crypto since 2017, I've never been more confident about a call. Kaspa has all the signals I look for before a massive pump. Let me break it down. First, look at these numbers, 18,000% in 3 years. I don't know if that's actually right, but 18,000% in 3 years, 2.5 billion market cap, listed on major exchanges like Kraken, and we're just getting started. And that's true. This is truly just the beginning for Kaspa. He also says here, I've seen this pattern before with Solana and Matic. Okay, Matic is Polygon, if you guys don't know. In their early days, the same accumulation phase, the same institutional interest. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, and that's true. Here's what most traders are missing. Kaspa unique ghost stack protocol, 1 block per second capability. It's actually 10 blocks now. Okay, yes, Kaspa used to do 1 block. Now, obviously, with the crescendo hard fork, right, it's doing 10 blocks per second. Also says here, 0 congestion issues. This is literally solving what Ethereum couldn't. My price target, $3 by EOY, so year end of year. Okay. But honestly, that might be FUD when you look at the fundamentals and compare them to other layer ones. We could be looking at $6, over $6. Yeah. So it seems like, guys, soon enough, whether Kaspa's going to $1, $2, $3, $6, it's going to be going higher. And as I told you guys, right, we're going to see, okay, the Kaspa price going much higher. So I hope you guys are prepared for that. Okay, so be ready, guys. Okay, so I want to show you guys this as well. So this is how Kaspa is going to $2. Kaspa chart shows a multi-year base from 2 cents to 20 cents with a major accumulation zone. So Fibonacci extensions from previous impulse. Okay, 1.618 extension, 50 cents, 2.618 extension, $1, 4.236 extension, $2. Okay, so multiple catalysts ahead. Okay, so pretty interesting, guys. Pretty interesting. Okay, we are fixing a support, pretty strong support. Okay, you know, at 5 cents, and we know Kaspa a couple of months back did reach 5 cents, not once but twice. And we are fixing a resistance, but I do believe soon enough the Kaspa price is gonna have a breakout, guys, right? So be prepared for that, right? Now look at this. This is actually pretty interesting. So Kaspa is consolidating on its macro uptrend. Kaspa is at a very fair value currently. Okay, healthy retest down to 8.8 cents. Bull season has just barely started. Volatility is expected until Kaspa reclaims 10 cents as a support level. I am insanely bullish here for Kaspa and its entire ecosystem. Okay, and that's very true, right? Soon enough, guys, we're gonna see, you know, the Kaspa price going much higher. Like I said earlier, right? No matter what happens, okay, whether Kaspa, let's just say, does have a correction back down to, you know, 7 cents, 6 cents, 5 cents, right? I highly doubt we will see Kaspa going back down to 5 cents. Just my personal opinion, but hey, if we do see Kaspa going back down to 5 cents, like I said, man, I'm gonna take that as a big opportunity to stack and buy a lot of Kaspa at those price levels, you know, at like 6 cents to 5 cents, right? I honestly hope, guys, I hope Kaspa actually does drop back down to, you know, those price targets of like 7 cents, 6 cents, and 5 cents. Honestly, hope it does go back down there, because that way I can buy way more cheaper Kaspa. But like I said, there's not a huge difference buying Kaspa now at, you know, 9 cents, right, just below 10 cents, versus buying it at like 5 to 6 cents. So it's not a huge difference. But anyways, you guys need to understand, okay, soon enough, okay, no matter what happens with Kaspa, if we do see Kaspa going lower, it's going to have a recovery. It's going to go back up, right, to, you know, 10 cents, 12 cents, 15 cents, 18 cents, and of course its previous highs of 20 cents, right? And it's not going to stop there. Like I said, it's going to go, you know, going to go much higher. Okay, new all-time highs are coming for Kaspa, guys. So understand Kaspa is going higher no matter what. No matter what happens, Kaspa is going to be going much higher. So be prepared for that, guys. Now look at VJ, right? VJ, okay, he's showing here that he got paid from X, I believe. Okay, so 140, okay, $140.87, and that is going directly to Kaspa. This is amazing to see, guys. Okay, so as you know, guys, VJ, okay, he was a Bitcoin maxi, and now he's slowly coming into Kaspa. Okay, now he's very bullish on Kaspa, right? He's done his own research. Okay, and now he's pretty much all in on Kaspa, and yeah, he's buying, guys. Okay, and this is absolutely amazing to see, guys. Okay, that people out there are buying Kaspa, right? Even if it's just $100 worth, this is amazing. Okay, it really is. And look at the amount, over 1,500 Kaspa. So amazing things. Okay, amazing things. And I hope you guys, you know, are continuing to, you know, stack Kaspa as well, because like I said, buying Kaspa below 10 cents, especially below 10 cents, is a blessing. It really is, guys. Whether it's buying at 9 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents, or lower, it doesn't matter. Buying Kaspa below 10 cents is a blessing, right? It really is. Now I want to show you guys this, because it's actually pretty interesting, right? So this is big news for Kaspa, right? Because this article just came out. Okay, so BSC News, okay, so this page right here, okay, so apparently they're the biggest crypto news all in one place, okay, and yeah, they just dropped a full article on Kaspa, right? The fastest, most decentralized and truly scalable blockchain in the game. Kaspa isn't just another project, it's the future of, you know, peer-to-peer money, and it really is, right? Just like Bitcoin, right? Kaspa is literally going to be the future of, you know, peer-to-peer money transactions. All right, so yeah, it's great to see that articles, okay, are, you know, mentioning Kaspa, are now talking about Kaspa, which is absolutely, you know, fantastic to see. Man, I feel like for the past few months, a lot of people are now, slowly coming into Casper, are mentioning and talking about Casper. Like, for example, Bitcoiners, right? Bitcoin maxis, as we all know, for the past, few weeks, even few months, are now slowly coming into Casper and talking about Casper, whether it's bullish or bearish. It doesn't matter, right? In general, just think about it, guys. Okay, Bitcoiners are now talking about Casper. Just think about that. It wasn't like this, 3-4 months ago, right? We didn't see much Bitcoiners talking about Casper versus now, right? A couple of months later. So it is great to see that people out there in the crypto space are now starting to mention things about Casper and slowly come into Casper, okay, doing their own research on Casper and whatnot. Like, it is truly amazing to see, guys, right? It really, really is. Like, we are slowly growing and there is truly conviction out there, right? But yeah, this is amazing, guys. Okay, looking absolutely bullish for Casper overall. Okay, and it is going up, so not too bad, guys. Okay, at least it's back above 9 cents today. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Understand, guys, no matter what happens with Casper, like I said, if it goes lower, we're going to see recovery and it's going to be going much, much higher. Like I said, we're going to see Casper going back up to its previous highs of 20 cents. It's going to break out of that easily, okay? And we're going to see new all-time highs happening for Casper. So I hope you guys are prepared for that. And that's why, personally, I've been stacking a lot of Casper. A lot, guys. Like I said many times, right? I've been stacking way more Casper than Bitcoin for the past few months, and I haven't stopped. I've been accumulating a lot of Casper, and I'm going to continue to buy more Casper, right? Because I do have a goal in mind that I do want to reach for Casper, okay? So I'm not going to stop. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the channel. That is always much, much appreciated. And yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.